tradition. Whenever you visit Kaveri,
Mango.
okay, I'll show the. I don't know why she's hiding, because maybe she had given a fake publicity that don't have ice cream. So for that.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡು, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಕ್ ಹಾಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾಪಲ್ಲ.
ಉಣ್ಣದಾಗ ದಿಯಾ వెళ్ళిపోయిరా ఓ ಇವನ್ ಡಾಗಿರೋ ಕೂಡ so a beautiful garden nanga sumipaga when we were young enough Diya when she was a baby girl we used to keep her here and take a picture. Yeah, this was a place when this girl has grew up, but still we are young. Nangada Kaveri ra Sala is a river Kaveri. Remaining I won't capture. You just come and visit. Here a temple. The Odra Darshana, we had a goddess Darshana, and now we are heading back to Bhagamandla la. This is Bhagamandla. Thalakaveri. Ice cream break. Chanda, acha yummy aitunda. Video koskara over acting ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. Na 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 tumak tumak jandiye maye dinal tumak tumak jandiye maye dinal. ವಂದನೆಗಳು. My mom's never ending flower plantation. That's Katama. Happy face.